Hello and welcome to day 2 of Outdoor Adventure. We all have different preferences in what we eat and how we eat it. Take for example this spoon. I might use this spoon to eat soup, ice cream, or anything else you can think of. But if I take this fork and try to eat my soup or ice cream with a fork, it would take me a lot longer. We each have different tools that we use to eat different things, just like with birds. Today we're talking about birding. Birding is the observation of birds in their natural habitat, and we might use birding to answer questions in nature. Take for example the 3 pictures of birds in your handout. You have a chickadee, a woodpecker, and a robin. Each of them have a different beak, which is their tool for eating. When we look at birds in nature, we're looking at their differences and trying to determine why they're different. In the case of birds, they're different because they eat different things. The chickadee eats very small seeds and berries, whereas the woodpecker has a very large beak so that he can peck into the wood and get grubs and worms from inside. The robin has a very short and stubby beak, which he uses to get insects off of the ground. For this activity, we're going to use our spoonbill, our tweezer bill, and our clothespin bill. These will represent our beaks. We're also going to need our paper clips, our marbles. You can either use toothpicks, washers, anything that will count as a food source. Now you'll hunt for food. You'll have 1 minute with each beak type to hunt for all of your food sources. You'll then tally up everything that you ate with your beak and put it in the chart provided in your handout. Once you've completed the activity, think about why each beak can eat different things and why each beak is able to get more of certain things than the others. When we're birding in nature, we're observing, which is exactly what scientists do. We've looked at the different beaks that each bird has, which is essentially like introductory biology. When we're looking at biology, we're looking for the differences in species and why they're different. So congratulations! For more information, visit 4h.okstate.edu.